Hey guys, me, Tessa, Blaine, and Delaney, my daughter. She's back again, and today we have a really cool product that we want to review, test out, and see how it does in our 2020 Tesla Model Y here. So let's get started. What I have here is I have a cargo pet mat cover for this entire back area in our Tesla Model Y. What I like about it, as you can see, that the carpet and stuff on the sides of the vehicle can get dirty, especially if you have animals and pets and dogs and things like that back here. It can get dirty. And what if you're going to your local home store and you're trying to purchase some manure or bricks or anything like that, and the things can get dirty? And the same thing on the back side of your seats. On the back side of the seats, they're made out of cloth and they get dirty really easily. So anytime I go and I lay down my seats and I'm getting some 2x4s or anything like that and I'm putting them in here, they always leave stuff on them, dirt, dust, different things like that. So I've really been wanting to get something that I could put in here, leave it in here, and it's going to help protect the car all the time. So why don't we get started on installation? Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is pull out our old mat, put it away. All right, let's get the other one and get installed, Delaney. Okay, so for the install, Delaney here has got the mat in her hand. First thing you're going to do to install it is lay your back seats down. This will only work for the Model Y 5-seater, not the 7-seater. So anyways, what I did is I laid down both my seats, so now we can put this in. And we're going to start off doing the back first. So we're going to leave this rolled up like this, and we're going to line this up so it's almost to the end. A little bit off of that right there. Okay, we got that lined up, and then we're going to work our way towards the front. And it's all held on by Velcro. Working my way all the way around, getting everything Velcroed in. Just like that. Once you have it all the way in, then you need to pull up your seats. Now, one thing about pulling up the seats is this section right here will have to get pushed down inside. It's going to fold up inside. So when it's laid out flat like this, you have plenty of room to put your cargo in here. So I'm going to grab all my seats at once. I'm going to make sure to push this down in. There we go. Take a look at that. It's all installed. You got your backing covered. You got your sides covered here. And it's ready. What do you think, Delaney? Next thing we're going to do is we're going to test it out with the animals. All right, so we have our big, massive dog here, Samson. He's sitting in it, as you can see. And what's good about... Yeah. Oh, you big boy. What's good about this material is also scratch resistant. So with a big dog like this and his claws...
It's his nails.
I know. With his nails, sorry. We'll bring out our cat Forrest here in a minute, and we'll let him check it out. But anyways, what I like about this mat is, oh, Samson, is that no matter what, it's going to help protect and keep all this massive fur that he has off the carpet of the car. Dude, come on. Sit down, sit. If anybody else has a Bernese Mountain Dog and they're interested in having a second one, let me know. We got this big doofus dog right here. He's not ready for the video, as you can see. Are you, you big doofus? Yeah. Dude, you're on video. Samson, sit. Now look at the camera and smile. That's a good boy. So what do you think of this mat? Does this mat work for you? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's soft and comfortable. I think he really likes the feel of it. And where are you going? Nope, you can't go up front. You got to stay right there. You can't fit through that hole. All right, so let's get up here, Samson's buddy, and bring him over here. All right, he's checking out his claws on it. Ronnie. We have all of our buddies. Hold on. Okay, guys. Well, as you can see, I think Samson approves it. My buddy Forrest here, I think he approves it. No, I know you like it. Okay, no, he doesn't approve it. He loves this new cargo mat. So whenever we take them, well, Forrest normally rides up front with us in the front of the car. But anyways, when Samson here gets a ride in the Tesla, he'll definitely go with the cargo mat in here. Overall, I give this thing a thumbs up. I think it's going to be great for the pets whenever we're traveling with them. I think it's going to be great when I have to haul or carry anything. Samson, what are you doing? I think it's going to be great when I have to go down to Home Depot or Lowe's or any place to get any kind of cargo or any kind of material, wood or anything, and put it in here. It's going to help protect the car. It's great. It stays on the back of the seat here when we lay it down. And he's a big doofus. Anyways, hey, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Help me out by doing all that. One last thing, guys, please be safe, have fun, and most of all, keep driving. Until next time, see ya. Thanks.